welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subbies for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I have just a little unboxing to share with you today. This item, I have an eye on it for a while. I saw it in store, I believe it last year, but I didn't get it because it's not the color that what I want. And last week suddenly I saw it pop up on Hermès website, so I placed an order, and it's exactly the color I want. And this is how the package arrived, and this arrived like a few days ago, but I didn't have chance to do it to have this video, so I wait until today so I can have some time to film this video. And when you order online, it came with the outside is like a white box like this, and when you open it, inside is the orange box as usual, and on inside of the flap of white box have a picture of the Hermès building with the Hermès. It's very pretty, and I love this orange box. It's so pretty. And when you order online, is the receipt come in like a big envelope like this. On the back is the policy, how you return it, and the receipt inside. And this is the receipt, and let's open it. It's so pretty. Here we go. This is called Neobain case. This is the small size in orange color, and can have a tag on this because I plan to get this for my work, to use for to carry my work stuff. And it's come in three size. This is the small size. It have medium size and large size. And I plan to get the large size too for my laptop, because I already saw the measurement, and I believe it will fit my laptop. So I plan to get the large size for my laptop also. But I wait until I saw the color that I liked, so I will get it. This is retail for $325 with tax, and this is this have a water repel, and have a Hermès brand embossed in here. Is the material is the 20% of elastic and 80% of polyamide. And the zip have a leather zipper pull in here, and the zipper is like a plastic zipper. Is like big. I love the zipper. It's so pretty, and it's not the metal. It's the plastic. You can use for like to carry item to go to the beach because the water repels. So I plan to use this one for my workplace, because if I put my stuff in my work bag, someday I got rain and get wet. The stuff. That's all why I want to get this one to put all my work, the small work item in here, so it keep it not getting wet. And that's why I had told you I plan to get the large size, the larger size, in, so I can put my laptop in there. So it just to protect my laptop my work laptop for work, not my personal laptop. And this is the measurement. Where my ruler? Okay, the measurement for this pouch. This is in orange. You know, the Hermès orange. Yeah, is exactly what the color of the box is exactly. And the length of the pouch is 8.5 inches, is 21 centimeter, and the height is 6 inches, is 15 centimeter, and it's very slim. You can carry all like cosmetic or any small essential to go to the beach. This is a very good pouch. And let me cut. They have a tag on it, and inside have anything. Oh yeah, inside have the tab is called Hermès Paris, and it make in France. This is the information of the back of the pouch. It's very lightweight, and yeah, because if I can get the large size, it will fit my laptop and also all the document in there for work. So that's why I keep waiting to see if they have another when they have another color like this, but in the large size, I will get it. And this is all the item that I carry. I have more small one. This is the Louis Vuitton key clay, but I carry all my work essential, like the thumb drive and all the work credit card and all stuff like that. This is the USB for work, and this is the one to put on your laptop to read your badge. And that's why all the small item, and I don't want this item to get wet, because this is when it get wet, it get damaged, so I better protect it. And I have a lot of USB for work information, so I have to keep it in here. And this pouch is amazing. The key clay is amazing. You can use for so many things, like for your credit card, for key to hold your key, and a lot of things. So I have more than one. So I use this one for work to keep all my USB and all my work relate in here. And this is how you see it. I keep it like that in here, so I can put it in this pouch, so it keep it from get wet. And this is the Elise mini notebook that I use for inside. Have I ordered the one with the alphabetical tab, so I can keep all my like password and username, password. I have so many, so I have to keep it in here, all the information, so I can keep it safe. And I put like that. Is perfect for, it fit perfectly and very light, so I can carry. I put this in my work bag. If it's the rainy day, all my item not get wet, because this is water repel. And the color, I love the Hermès orange color, so I love the orange box. So that why when I saw this one, I placed the order. I got it right away. And beside this, you can let's see what you can do. If you use for beach, carry the item to go beach. These are my Hermès Bond compact wallet. It fits in here perfectly. I have my card holder. This is the card holder I received from the gift. One of my co-workers had given me. This from Madewell, and it's all leather. I carry my cards in here. I have 4 cards, and it's really slim. I really like it. Look like Hermès, but no label, nothing. And it have a clip in here. You can clip into your bag or anything, or any on your belt, or whatever you want, or your key. So I can keep it like this. If I want to use this to go to the beach, so I can carry like this. And see the hand sanitizer wipe, and phone. This is my work phone. It's bigger than my personal phone, but this is 10XR. This is big size. It fit. So that's why I love this size. And I don't. The medium size is around the same size as the the legal size paper, like A by 11. So I don't think that I need that. If I get it, I will get the larger size, because the large size can put I can put my laptop and also the document. So the only one I want to get next is the larger size. And also, I'm thinking about if there are another option, you can make to turn this one into a small mini bag, so you can carry as a bag. I have this one. I ordered this tool, this clip on Amazon. As you can see, I put it closer on Amazon before, because last year when I ordered the Dior makeup, the eye palette, and I turned that one into a mini bag for my daughter. So I have this. I ordered 4, so this one I have left. I have one in gold and one in silver, and this is in jet black. You can use for any color you want. You put this one on at both ends and clip the chains on it. This is how you do it. This is after you open you can screw it. I just put it close. You can screw it. Cut a piece of leather like this small, so it can hold it, and you can use something like the needle or something to put the hole, or you have something to punch the hole, and just punch a tiny little hole and put it in. And you can let's see, I can do it. Yeah, and you turn it like this, and you put in this hole. You see it go through the hole, right? And you unscrew it. And when you put in the hole, keep it tight and unscrew it. Okay, this is how after I screw it back together and turn inside out, and this is how it look like, as you can see. And this is the piece that you need to have. This you can unscrew it and screw it back, and it's retail like I got a $5.99 for a pair like this. I ordered 4 before, because as I say, I make the Dior eye palette I turn it into the mini bag for my daughter. So I have this left. This is in silver and this is in gold color, and this is the black color, so you can use any. If you like gold, you put gold. If you like silver, you put silver. Any color hardware that you like, you can order. I will put the link on Amazon where I get it in the description box below. So if you are interested to make this, turn this into a mini bag like this, you can order it. And what else I can say? Okay, this is how if I want to use as a mini bag when I go to the beach. This is how I can carry it. My wallet, the Hermès compact wallets. I love this wallet, and this is my favorite wallet. And I will have the in-depth video on the Hermès wallet for you soon, because I have some requests that I have for the Hermès compact wallet. And this is the lip gloss from Hermès. Let's see, yeah, I can put in there. And the phone, this is my work phone, is a 10XR. My personal phone is smaller, but this is a big size, so it fit. And here we go. And I can hook I can put a strap on this one and carry as a bag when I go to the beach. And all my stuff in here is not get wet or any sand get into it, because this is water repel, so it's very good. And I love the color. And but the purpose of this pouch is not for the beach. That's another option you can use for this pouch. This pouch can use for so many things. And the purpose of this pouch is I got this for work, to keep all my essentials for work and keep it dry on the raining day. So that's how I carry it. I have more stuff in there, but I need to put in there, but and not this hand sanitizer. It's the smaller pack, not this one. For work, I carry it all the time in my bag, and this is how I keep in my work bag. How do you think? You like it? Yeah, as I say, I will order the larger size for my computer, but not turn into the bag like this. I don't need to do this for my computer work bag. Maybe I will do one on one side only, so I can clip any chain or anything for a pretty one to hang in, or my key. Yeah, I can clip my key in here, or yeah, my work thing, my work badge or something in here when I get the larger size. And that's it for today. And I hope you enjoy this video. And one thing I want to say, I really thank you and really appreciate. You are so nice of you to taking your time to watch my video and leave all your comments and suggestions. One of I saw some comment suggestion that I should get the better microphone. I did get it, and I hope this video, the voice, the sound is get better. I'm sorry that my voice is kind of very soft, so I barely to hear. I'm sorry about that, and I hope this video, the sound of this video, getting better. If you and I wish all of you and your family are happy and healthy and enjoy the summer. And I hope I can see you in next video. Bye bye.